Morning everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today is Boxing Day, so I have to clean the house a bit, namely the main living areas, because yesterday I hosted lunch. The kitchen is clean, but we need to put some things away and wipe down the cabinets and things like that. So let me show you what I'm dealing with here today. So here in the dining room I have to throw away this cloth, vacuum the carpets, dust a bit and put the table back in place. Then over here in the living room we have my son is still playing with his toys from Santa, and we need to somehow organize a bit, but it's pretty good. It's not that bad. And in the kitchen we have to still take out the recycling because today is it's Thursday, so it doesn't pass, so those go out tomorrow. But the kitchen is pretty clean. I just need to put away some things and wipe a bit the cupboards and possibly clean also the oven. So let's start. So the dining room has been put back in order, the cupboards have been wiped down, the table has been put back in place, and everything is in order. The carpet has been vacuumed. In the living room over here, the table has been put back in place. The sofas have been arranged a bit. Still we have toys over there, but anyway, I have small kids, so obviously he needs to play, but he's been playing with this all day long, so Santa has done a good job. The floors have been wiped, not literally washed, but wiped with this white mop over here. The recycling has to be taken out tomorrow, and the kitchen has been cleaned as well. The oven has been wiped down. Did not intend to do a deep clean of the oven, because the oven, normally when I do a deep clean of the oven, I do the cleanup, the self-cleaning mode, but I did not do it. I just wiped it a bit up, did some foil inside just to protect it, and wiped down the shelves. The shelves, as you can see, now it has the lining, the foil paper in it. The cupboards have been wiped down, the sink is clean, and the surfaces are all clean. So thank you very much for watching. I hope this video has motivated you to clean up after the holidays. I know it's not easy, but it has to be done. So thank you once again for watching. Wishing you all a good new year, and until the next time, bye.